Ito? Yan?
Sige lang, sa atin lang. Running time muna.
Hey bro.
Running time muna. Gutom na. Hello bro, good luck ha. Gutom na. Malapit ng iftar. Running.
Please hold the jersey, tackling.
Players. Galingan nyo, may camera dyan. Oh.
Baby, galing tong batang to.
Are you okay, bro?
Foul, jersey number 23.
Hassan.
First throw, jersey number 24. Yes, sir. Second throw. Connects again. Villanueva. For two. Offensive rebound, and there's a foul on number 6. Hitting the head. Jersey number 6, first personal foul. First team foul. Second throw, misses the shot. Out of bounds. Is still by number 01. La pass and top by just number 3. Same ball. Villanueva setting the play. Hit for 3. Recovered by. It's a bank shot. Jersey number 26, Villanueva. 3-2 official score. And there's a foul. It's a basket and foul. Jersey number 201.
2-0.
Bonus throw. No good. And jersey number 1, pick up the ball. Villanueva to number 30. 95 Hassan. Hassan miscommunication. And there's a miscommunication between number 30 and number 280. Number 13. A putback shot by jersey number 13. 6-3 official score in favor of...
Ikaw na.
Ikaw naman? Ha?
Balikan niyo ako. Kanina pa.
Akala ko ikaw naman. Akala ko ikaw naman. Another steal with jersey number 24. 24 Rivers, and there's a foul. Jersey number 95. Jersey number 95. First personal foul. Third team foul. First throw, jersey number 24. Yes. Connect.
Pull to not.
The second throw. Correct.
Pass.
And last touch on jersey number 6.
Walang ano yun? Come.
Okay. 24, back to 13. Yes, sir.
Always if go to the side JB's on, okay? If JB's in that corner, you go to that same
And block. Time out to UIC. No problem, you can get me.
Patanggal mo yung ano niya.
Necklace. Bro, number 0. Bro, kindly remove your necklace.
Necklace.
Before you go play. Alright. Back to the ball game. Okay, players in, coaches, time's up. And another steal. Fortunate. Pass to number 13 and pass inside. Yes, sir. Boom's Twin Towers, really effective. Villanueva, guarded by jersey number 24, pass inside, pull up jump, yes, basket. Nice pass inside, strong move, and there's a whistle. Foul, jersey number 10, 95. All right. Substitution rep. Jersey number 95, second personal foul.
Warning.
Warning for penalty. 24, easy basket, using the glass. Nice shot. Alaria.
I like that defense. 8 seconds left. 8 seconds left.
Villanueva to Alaria. Starting to play, drive, and yes, an easy scoop shot, an easy layup for jersey number 24. 16-7 in favor of Boom. Boom are now getting away, 9-point lead. Mga tangkay. Villanueva for 3 and substitution, ref. Substitution.
1 now, 1.
Substitution. Villanueva out. Hasan in.
Defense. Go D. Go push.
Still by Alaria. Just in haste on. Blocked by jersey number 6. Inside pass. No good. Nice defense. Short. Villanueva. Hasan. Blocked by jersey number 13. Substitution. Alaria to Azam. Nice shot. 16-9. Seconds to play. Now our first. And there's a foul. So penalty situation. Foul on jersey number 22. Yo. Penalty. 15 foul. Penalty. Nice D.
Go back out, shooter, shooter.
Hands up.
Ten seconds.
Dapat tira na lang yung labas.
Masyadong malakas.
Mahirap yan, dalawang twin tower. Marulong pa.
Ang banat nila dyan. Labas sila.
Oh, labas tira. Hindi na kahit low. Hindi kaya lagsak yan.
Bro. Kuha na naman ni si... Ano?
Pangit ng picture kasi screenshot lang. Walang mababa yan.
Okay. Coaches, players, back to the ball game.
Saan ang dito rin nakabase mo yan? Dito rin nakabase mo yan?
Sa... Ito?
Dito rin? Taga rito.
At ganito. Yung iba dyan sa BE. Sa BE.
Galing sa video.
Okay, players, UIC, back to the ball game. Villanueva, pull-up jump. Offensive rebound, jersey number 2. Alaria to Villanueva. Villanueva, pull for 3. No good. Hesitate for 3 and drive. And there's a whistle. A whistle foul on jersey number 2. Hitting foul.
Jersey number 2.
Galing naman.
Number 2, first personal foul.
First personal foul. First team foul. First throw connect. Second throw. Yes, connects.
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
shot.
Pass na rin.
Malakas ang kalaban. Nice reverse layup by Alaria. Nice alley-oop pass by number 6 to number 13. Oh.
Double dribble.
Got it.
13 for 3. Misses the shot and the rebound by jersey number 1. Alaria. To Villanueva. Number 95, pull-up jump. No, good, misses the shot. 23-13, 10-point leads by Boom. Shot. And shoot. 23-15. Another steal. And foul. Jersey number 0. Basket count. Substitution rep. Substitution. Mukhtar in. Substitution. And just a second. Sandali. Wait a minute. I think there's a problem there. He has no jersey. No po. Good.
Good job. Coach, run the play, set the play.
It's a backcourt violation.
Let's go, D.
Kahit na nakapasok na siya dito, tapos bumalik.
Kahit isa lang, bola lang.
Ano, yung paa niya talaga, kahit isa lang.
Isa lang sa pala.
Oo,
Backward na yun.
backward na yun.
Hey, push! Push!
Nice D. Time out.
Go, pressure! Good pressure!
Ball pressure!
For 3! And foul on jersey number 26, Villanueva. Villanueva, first personal foul. Basket. Second row connects. 25-18.
Go down, push! Push, stay there, stay there. Back!
Nice pass.
Just sit down.
Box, box! Go push!
Good. Substitution rep. Jump ball. Ay, walang jump ball. Stepping. Boom. We're stepping on the line.
Hands up!
Shot clock. Violation. 24 seconds. Shot clock. Violation.
Go, pressure, pressure!
Control the ball.
Middle!
Dito ko muna. Hanggang na lang ako.
Mag-iwi muna ako sa dali lang.
Oh, sige.
Substitution rep.
Get a steal!
Three points. Number 13 to number 2. Wisdal for first throw. Codex.
Ice, yeah.
Open, ah.
Small.
Check there and if you have.
Second throw, misses the shot. Rebound by number 6. And another turnover here. Timeout. Boom.
DOOM.
Pag-referee na muna. Focus. Pag-focusan saan? Papel 5. 40.
Apa tu dah Salman?
Let's go. Let's begin. Here we go again. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ayos yun ah.
Eh, siyempre, singip tayo dati.
Pwede sa labang yun ah.
White jersey. 21, Mr. Hassan. Number 95. Pass to number 25. Number 30. Pull up jump from the 3 points.
Jody!
Number 0, Beverly Bolt. Pass to number 2.
Isaac!
Number 2 giving the ball. Defense by number white jersey. Going to 30, make a layup. Yes, correct. Good for 2 points. Number 30.
Isaac!
Number 0. There's a call from the violation. Sub.
Ano sunod ito?
Banda sa top, 50 sa
Very long game. Chasing number 30 from the wall. Pass to number 25. Hassan, 23. Post move. 22, make a layup. No. Hassan, yes. Go. 25. Pagdala Hassan ang sinipag.
Bangs!
Hey! Lutaw! Lutaw laban, lutaw! Again and again! There is a call.
Class.
Let's go, 4 down!
Nasa utuloy ka lang.
There's one number 30, making a no rebound and 0 goes to the number 5. Next to the second. 31, 25.
Ayos nga yan eh. Oo.
Ayaw bang paglampit na sila o pinapos yung kita nila o.
Kaya mo, luto na yung kit, luto na. Sila, nato sa panar sila oh. Yung balim iko-iko nila oh.
Binangga mo to.
Hindi ko kasi malaman kung saan ito nang malapit sa mga chicks.
Ikaw pala yung ano eh.
Base makaring ako kamuti naman eh.
Last game ako. Last game na ba?
Last game na ako.
Pinapay doon. Ano ba?
Hindi ako. Ako ba ako? Dito ako.
Amuli na ka, boss?
Dili. Ano daw eh?
Magpauway lang eh. Puta naman, puta.
Dito ako.
Hindi, pinapakita ko yung kung talagang
Dalawa pa siya.
Kaya ko dito, B-hoppers.
wala naman siya.
Kahit na, sila pa rin yan. Dito na ako. Kanina pa.
Adadi.
diri ka dung.
Wala pa diyan, no?
Ha?
Wala pa.
Sige, sunod. Ikagan na, oh. Pabalik Islam na.
Siguro.
Balik ka.
Number 30, 26, step the ball. Again, pass to 22. 22, 26, yes sir.
Wala naman ka.
Pass it again, Adani. Number 2, still the ball. Alerian ngayon, still. Sengo. Call the rep, Sengo. Adani, hindi na ang bola. So, number 22, side kick move, layup, no. Rebound by 26, no. Rebound. Ang lakas ni number 26, rebound. Everyone, number 13, pass to number 2. Crossover move, no. There's a foul. Time out po tayo ng American School.
Jersey number? 27? 14? 14? Number 14?
Let's go! Both team!
Singkaw gapon ni Abo tanon ba? Dagan. Si Bus Abo. Miss you, Bus Abo.
Ayan na ba?
Miss you, Bus Abo. Shout out.
Let's go, UIC.
Let's back!
Ay na, pagpangiyak doon.
Let's go! Going up here to the 6. Dribbling the ball. Binigay 25. Lobos. Pull up jump from the 3-point corner. Wala. Rebound by number 13. 13 goes to the ring. 13. There's a foul. Again, pass to number 2. Go to number 22, pull-up jumper from the three-quarter, wala. Nope. Buena Pay, number 13. Galing ng bata ng si Mr. Buena Pay. Binigay again, 25, 30, 01. 01, Buena Pay again. Pull-up jumper or pass. 26.
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Two shot. Go for 2 points. Again. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Adade. Number 2. Adade again. Locos, no.
Basta mo yata ni mabataan niya.
Sub.
Wala akong pakialam sa'yo, ref.
Pumito ka dyan. Lomos, 26. Again, white jersey. Beginning again, number 13. Good for 3 points.
Dagan, betul, dagan man.
Number 0. Oh, yes, sir. Where's the call for it? Out of bounds. The ball goes to.
Teka man mo siya dumula. Yan eh, magkatigam yan eh, mga tuwan. Tambakan silan. Malinaw ng shot clock oh. Katigam dumula ng Americans kung yung tambakan.
Hit the screen, Kuya! Hit the screen!
Hindi sila
Hit
kompleto
the
eh.
screen! Hit the screen! Hit the screen!
Lomos, 26 again. Beginning again, number 25. Pull-up shot from the corner, number 2, wala. Rebound by number 0, Adani. Beginning again, number 2. Good defense by white jersey. 3 points, no. Pull up, nothing. Yes, sir. 13. Time out.
Wisi!
Ang pangit ang
Wisi!
dapat
Boss, ito yung ano, sir. Dapat sabihin, time out, KYC, tab.
sige, assist ko kay
Alam niya yan.
alam niyo.
Mayroon na palang papalit eh. Alas 5 daw eh.
Wala, meron nagdala. Yan nakita mo yung pito ng dalawa kanina? Nakita mo yung...
Oo, napaka.
Sabi nga ni Bilmore, gusto ko yung mga buligligan eh. Wala eh.
Ewan ko gumagawa ito ng sarili ng sign eh, ganyan sa taas. No?
Munti ka nang mapumutok yung liga natin kanina eh. Birang batang to.
Again, 95-01. Total shot, good 2 points by number 95. Pull-up jumper, nothing but the net. Again, 2 points. Again, 95, Lopez play. Steal by number 0. Pass to number 13. 13. Adadi. 32, no. There's a foul, 45. Number 13. Who's ball Rex?
0-1.
Sub. Pasok po.
Dalawa.
Nagawa ng bola. Binigay kay 56. Kinaldag ang depensa ng laro. Pull-up chopper, nothing but... Again, number 13. Devin the ball, crossover move. Pass to number 13. Rebound. Back. There's a call.
Tumama na.
Hindi.
Ang bola, nakuha ng 22, Valeria. Layup! Yes, sir. Correct. 2 points. Shot. No. Rebound. Binigay kay number 26. Villanueva pala to. Villanueva. Hassan. Correct kay Villanueva number 20, jersey number 26. Yes, sir. 3 points. 26. Number 13. Zero pull-up jumper, nothing. Save the ball by, napasok ang bola, Villanueva. Layup. Nice. 49-33. Lamang po ang Philippines. Number 2. Again and again. Again, pinasa ng Villanueva. Layup. Yes, sir.
Malakas sila no pag mga bata rin kalaban nila. Pero pag mga may edad na wala.
May gulang na kasi yung may gulang.
Pull-up jumper. Out of bound. Seconds to play. Pull up from a 3 points. Nothing. 13. Number 30. Pass to 30. 30 again. Haddadi. Pass to 30. No. Rebound by 95. Pass to number 2. Screen daw, screen. Villanueva, Hassan. Binili kay Villanueva, pull up 3. Wala. Bola ng Maroon. 10 seconds. 5.
Bang! Nasabi?
Umuwi na si? Sumuwi.
Main.
Kamu sini bay, mga tingag kita to. Tawag ko? Tawag pa ako? Ha? Tubig din eh.
Di ba? Hindi pa?
Mamaya pa.
Tubig lang. Amay na kumain ko.
Let's game, both team. Philippines.
American school. Marunong yung maglaro.
Coach. It's game, coach.
Gar! Let's go!
Let's go.
Kaya ko nang laruin itong ano ko. Apo to, pinaglalaro to sa, sa PB, sa silencer. Saan? Silencer natin.
Hindi ba siya pinayagan eh?
Nagawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Adadi. Michael sa left. Bola. Lang. Philippines. Number 30. Again. 26. Billion Weber.
Go 6, 5, 4, 3.
Number 2, pull-up choke. 3-quarter, no. Ibang by Adadi. Yan kaya Adadi kung nakapasok ng foot mo.
Para magkapare yung playoffs.
Again. There's a goal.
Ano ba yun?
Third personal foul, 95. From the Junior Falcons. First free throw, di po pumasok.
Managyan ni sila ito ka na napit, pero di ko na eh.
Number 0. Red t-shirt, pull up, no. Again, connect. Sub.
You see.
Takpag lang na matika mag-repair. Hindi pa ako matikam to eh. Mag-practice pa. Ako kita kaya na, sumabog na go.
Size move, number 295. What a nice size move with number 95. Again. Pass to number 0 again, Adani. Nice pass. Number 2. Number 0, pull up jumper. No. Nakuha ni number 2. Nice. 2 points, number 2.
Nandito tayo, mga Pilipino marami dito eh.
Okay, number 95. Number 55. Number 30. Number 30.
Time out. UIC.
UIC timeout.
You see.
What time is it?
You see. You see.
Sila Art mo gano'n, iwan ko ba? Kung hindi na makakashoot yan.
Game 2 yan.
400 ang average.
Hindi.
Ano lang, limitation na yan.
Gagamot na ako.
Coach.
Naruli.
Ball leads back to the game.
UIC.
Both team ready.
But this tissue is 10 real, huh? 10 real.
UIC.
Hello. Okay, warning UIC for delaying the game.
Warning UIC for delaying the game. Number 30, 26.
Ano bang reset na set lock eh?
Wala namang receipt sa clock eh.
5 seconds na lang tira eh.
Last lang eh.
Number 50. No. Yes, sir.
Miss ka na ni Papa.
Wala. Rebound by number binigay kay Alani. Dribbling the ball by number 22.
English ba?
22 by number 13. Crossover good.
My friend, English, my friend.
Again and again.
Yes.
Nothing. Ooh. Agawa ng bola. There's 26. Villanueva. Yes, sir. Connect 2 points by Villanueva. Pinam po to. Pinam yan nila. Number 13 again. Number 13. Number 13. There's a goal. No basket. Sub.
Sir, you go through the screen up high. Tell him to stay down. For both. Screen up high and tell him to stay down.
Number 95. Fourth foul. Fourth foul na si number 95.
Si Mia. Si Mia.
Si Villanueva. Ay, hindi pa lang si ano. Number 25 na. Para mag... Rebound. Daddy. There's a call. Hassan.
Number. Simple mo 23.
Oh, Boss Jack. Come in. Dito na si Boss Jack. 22. Pull-up jump. No. Pass. Again, jersey number 2. Wala pa rin. 22. Again, 26. Binigay kay Aleria. 95. Mas ganda gumalaw ni number 25. Hassan. Nothing.
American school.
13. Pass. So,
Sige na, anak, step na ikaw.
Boom. Boom, tarat-tarat.
Happy baby.
Liga rin yan.
Exhibition.
22. Pass by number 5.
Pray muna baby bago mo step man.
Step back hook from the 3 corners. No. Number 13.
Stop.
Stop, let's stop. Let's go. 26, Villanueva. Binigay kay Hassan. Again, pass to Villanueva. Save the ball. Number 13. Number 5 is the Villanueva. Number 26. Stop.
Sige na.
Warning for penalty, ha? Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Number 13 good for 2 points. Number 13.
Tapos na kayo doon, boss. Tapos na kayo. Di ba? Tatlong game pa doon. Babalik ako doon. Lalaro na.
Wow. Foul number 13.
Ano yan?
Again, 13. There's a fall.
Penalty.
One shot.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. 25. Muntik ka na magitawan. Pass to 25 again. No.
Natakot na yata siya.
Number 13. Naago. Steam the wall by 22. Layup. Yes, sir. Correct. 2 points. 22. Number 2, 3.
Ano, Hop? Saan ka ba?
seconds to play. Pass to number 30. Yes, correct. Pull up chopper. No. Again.
Grabe si Grandel, oh. 15 seconds.
Wala eh.
Stop. 10 seconds to play.
Play safe, play safe. Basket? Basket. Yeng Yao! Gagalit si Yeng Yao eh. Ang lag guys. Wala, maya pa ako. What happened to you?
I landed bad.
Falling down there?
Yeah.
It's early in the first quarter.
Ha? Sino? Bakit?
Gilbert, parating si Gilbert. Gilbert, parating si Gilbert. Si Gilbert. Sino pa? Oo, kasama ko. Nandyan sa nagbibihis.
Boy.
Ayaw ni Harvey. Ayaw ni Harvey dito.
Ako muna kay Harvey.
Iwas daw siya sabihin. Ayaw ko dyan. Sa last game na raw siya.
Ito pala.
Coach! Coach! Sir! Nasa ko sa defensive player niyo.
30s to Jared na yun. Yung 3 points. 3 points.
Sino yan?
Oo, si Ian.
Ang oras mo.
May tubig ka?
Nakape ka?
Magkano na eh? Iftar na.
Anong oras?
Jared Mejia sa
Wala pa?
Malapit na oh.
Brandon Villanueva.
Anong oras na ba?
5:20. May tubig ka?
Wala nga. Buka ka doon sa kwan. Outside ba?
Yung best player, Grand Deal.
Berkey sir, kaling mo dito sa Africa.
Kana si Ito, sa para. Di para. Grand Deal. Deal. DIY. Grand Deal.
Why?
Grand Deal.